Many people think you have to spend $650 or even $550 a year to get a premier hotel credit card. But what if I told you that the best hotel credit card is actually only $99 a year? And at that price, it can help any household. That card is the IHG Premier Credit Card, and now is the perfect time for the credit card because it has the best welcome bonus of the year. This card can completely change the way you and your family travel. And today I'm going to break down the 6 reasons why you are missing out if you don't have the IHG credit card. I'm also going to throw in a bonus of a couple of sweet spots to be able to use this welcome bonus. And you won't want to miss that because that could be the couple's vacation or family vacation you've been dreaming of. Let's start with the annual fee and welcome bonus. The annual fee of the credit card is $99, and the current welcome bonus is 5 free nights with $5,000 worth of spend in the first 3 months. This is an amazing welcome bonus and literally provides you your vacation just on a welcome bonus. And we'll talk a little bit more about that welcome bonus a little bit later. So how about the multipliers on this credit card? You're going to get 26 times per dollar at IHG resorts and hotels. You'll get 5 times per dollar on travel, dining, and gas stations. And you're going to get 3 times per dollar on all other purchases. When it comes to hotel credit cards, you're really only using it for purchases at the hotel that you have the credit card from, unless you're working on that welcome bonus. When it comes to travel benefits, you're going to be very surprised by what all this $99 credit card actually has. You're going to get baggage delay insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, and trip cancellation. You'll also get up to $120 as a reimbursement every 4 years for enrollment in TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, or Nexus. You're even going to get $50 per year in United Travel Bank cash. In addition to all this, you'll also receive an anniversary free night valued at 40,000 points. It even gets better. If you want to get a room that is higher than 40,000 points, you can actually top off the certificate with your points. This anniversary free night can easily cover the cost of the annual fee each year. And just by holding the credit card, you get Platinum Elite status. And getting this level of status on the credit card is significant. Let me just touch on a few things that you get with Platinum status. You're going to get 60% bonus on points earned. You're going to get Hertz Rental Car 5-star status. You'll get 72-hour guaranteed room availability. You'll be able to get early check-in when available. You'll also get 2 p.m. late checkout, and you'll even receive complimentary upgrades subject to availability. All of these great features on a $99 credit card that can make your hotel stay so much better. You may also even find that some hotels will actually provide additional benefits for members with platinum status. As I'm looking at different lodging options for Taipei, Taiwan, I've been able to find out that the Kimpton there will provide the buffet breakfast for free for platinum members each and every day. And as great as those features are for platinum status, how about the ability to redeem 3 nights on points and get the 4th night for free? Hilton and Marriott both do 5th night for free, so it may not seem like that big of a deal, but that single night could save you hundreds of dollars. If you're finding this information beneficial, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you don't miss a single video or my weekly live stream points and miles report where I go over all the news that you need to know from the week before, as well as new offers and points and miles opportunities. Now, I haven't forgotten about going over a few sweet spots to be able to use these free night certificates, but let's also talk about those free night certificates. The welcome bonus is 5 free nights, and each free night is valued at up to 60,000 points, which would make for a total of 300,000 points. Once again, an amazing value for only a $99 credit card. Now, there are a few things I want you to keep in mind when using these certificates. The first item is that while you are able to top off that 40,000 point anniversary night certificate, you are not able to top off the 60,000 point free night certificates. The second item is that these certificates are good for 12 months from the time that they are issued to you. Free night certificates are great. They just don't have the flexibility of just having points by themselves. So it is absolutely important that you plan ahead of how you're going to use these certificates within the time frame. And that's why I want to share a few amazing places to be able to go with these 5 60,000 point night certificates. The first place is the Intercontinental in beautiful Sydney, Australia. Award nights can range between 42,500 points and 60,000 points. I spent last Christmas and New Year's Eve in Sydney, Australia, and the city is absolutely beautiful with so many things to do. Another great location is the Kimpton Fitzroy in London, England. Award nights there can range between 50 and 70,000 points. It actually occupies a full block in Bloomsbury. Another amazing place would be the Intercontinental Amstel, Amsterdam. Award nights start at 60,000 points. This hotel is located right on the Amstel River. These 5-night certificates can end up being worth over $1,000. One other item about these certificates: if you redeem that 60,000 point certificate, say on a 30,000 point hotel room, you will lose the difference. The IHG Premier Credit Card is the best hotel credit card, and it only has a $99 annual fee, but it will save you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars. And with the 5 free night welcome bonus, you have a ready-made vacation. Now that you know about the best hotel credit card, you need to know about the best airline credit card, and it's not Delta, American, or United. You will get free flights faster on this card than any other one, and you're going to learn about it right here.